Hold on.
Okay guys, back again, part 3 of this video. This TIMPANO amplifier 1400. And after the break, when I told you guys I was gonna replace that 4.7 ohms resistor, I did. I put it right here. I put a even higher. Yeah, you guys not gonna see it. That yeah, I put it right down there. Yeah, and it's right down there. I put a bigger one, higher wattage. So yeah. So the problem with now, when I did that, I switched it on. Just to let you guys know, I don't normally do this because normally I want my video to be short. So I said, okay, let's go ahead and see if it pours on. I will show you, so it pours on and stuff like that. But after doing that, it comes down, the power light keep flashing now. I mean the protection light keep flashing. Then I was like, what is this? So I remember I work on same Stetson amplifier with this problem before. On this driver IC right here, with the part number is IRS 2092S. So it's IRS 2092S. Was bad because it comes up in protection mode with the protection light flashing. First it was the power supply light flashing, now it's that. So everything is okay. I didn't test it if I get any audio, but it pours on now. Everything is okay, so I'm gonna let you know if it pours on. If I been test it, I'll let you know. So let me just pour it on and let you guys see. The power light is not flashing anymore, so everything seems to be okay now. So what I'm gonna do, alright, let me see if I can give it a bench test right now and let you guys see what's going on. Alright, let me switch it off for now. Get my speakers together. Yeah, the fan was spinning, everything was okay. So let's see. Alright, if everything's okay for the customer to come pick it up soon. Alright, and that's my testing speaker. Can't believe they have this playing Kicker CRV. Can you imagine? That's man, I don't know. It will play them, but I'm not recommending, use this to play like speakers like that because of the heatsink is not like on these amplifier, yeah. And this is like, it's not even fully aluminum to me. This thing will melt. I got a lot of them that melted. The chassis melt. I don't know, but it is what it is. I always say these amplifiers is Chinese one to the to the real one from Brazil. The Chinese version, this is the favorite. I don't know, but they play really good, some of them. But from my experience, I repair a lot of them. But the thing is, I don't want to bash anybody. But from what I did, it's just like they just don't. The circuit is not all that to me. Like the tar amp and this sound digital. The Stetson is good, but it's not one of my favorite. But you know, that's how it goes. Oh wow. Alright guys, let's give it a bench test and see if everything works okay now. As you guys can see, pause on. Yeah, pause. Okay. Yes, that's tuning it, guys. Right? As you can see, I'm tuning it. This come with a lot of keys. I don't know why. This thing has level, HP, high pass, LP, like low pass, ATF low pass, bass, mid bass. Then you have mid high. Oh my god, this thing have a lot of settings, right? Which I don't normally see on a lot of amplifiers. I can't see. I don't know. This is the only. I think I don't know. I don't remember. This thing a mid high. Let me show you guys what's going on here. If you guys can see that's the settings on it. Man, I kinda like that with it. Honestly, I kinda like that, but you know, for some people it will mess them up, but I kinda like that settings with mid eyes and stuff like that. sliding. Guys, that's again my daughter in the background, you know, doing her thing.
Music on the track.
Alright guys, I think that's enough for this bench testing for this TIMPANO amplifier 1400 TPT1400. So made in Brazil, as it said. As you could hear, fan running, everything is okay, everything is cook and curry. Parts, yeah, man, they cool like, as they say, puppy nose, cool like puppy nose, you know. That's what we say. Yeah, back where I'm from, cool like puppy nose. Some of you guys know what I'm talking about, you know, but you know, yeah, this is good, and this is was a successful repair. And I say, guys, I replaced the power supply MOSFET with the, all right, let me see, the original MOSFET was let me switch it off. Original MOSFET was IRF B448, was IRF B448, which is not a popular MOSFET. I replaced them with the IRF 3205. Everything, it's work, temperature is cool, everything, no problem. And as I said, I replaced this IC right here, IC chip, surface mount. This first one here, I didn't replace the second one. I replaced this one here, which is a 27524, and I replaced that. Everything didn't work out. I switched it on, and then I didn't put that in the video, sorry about that. But I'm telling you now, guys, I'm not hiding nothing from you, eating whatever from you guys. This right here, this little chip, which is a MOSFET driver, and this is the IRS 2092S. RS 2092. You can't miss it. It's in the middle of the board here. RS 2092S. That caused the protection light to come on and start flashing. So I just go ahead and just replace it without recording it, and everything comes on perfectly. So I just letting you guys know that's what I did, and that's all I did to this amplifier, and everything is okay with it. It pours on and everything is working, and you know, that's what, you know, that's it. And you know, yes guys, so you know, so that's it for this video, and thank you guys for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe, and as I said, I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos and stuff like that. And you know, do the right thing. If you want to see more videos, you know, ask me any question you want to. I'll answer them as best as I can, as soon as I can, you know. And as I said, I don't get to make a lot of videos because of my work, my job. I work full time, so I only can do this on like weekends and stuff like that. And I only have like sometimes 2 days off, sometimes 3 days off for my weekend, so it depends. And yeah, and I got a lot of amplifier comes into me to repair, and some of them I even can't make video for them, honestly, because I have to do them while I'm doing other stuff. So you know, that's how it goes. So I try to do as best as I can to you guys, for you guys, and you know, explain as best as I can, so, and stuff like that. And remember guys, there was a problem with this gate resistor right here, which is the 4.7 ohms and this from this side come up of the power supply, 1 2, the second MOSFET, yeah, from this side, from the power supply side come up, yeah, that one went out. So please to check that if you have a problem like this amplifier with a TIMPANO amplifier with the power supply light going in and out, you know, that could be a problem. Not saying it's gonna be your problem all the time. That could be your problem. It was the problem for this one. It could be the same problem for you with the one you guys have, you know, whatsoever. But that was the problem with this one, and everything is okay, and that's it. So CNC Electronics Sales and Repair. Thank you guys again. As I said, please like, subscribe if you like what you see, and that's it for now. I'm out. Thank you very much guys for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Couldn't do it without you guys. I share information because a lot of time I have to search internet to get information, so I said yeah, it would be selfish for me not to do this. So thank you guys for everything. I really appreciate it. CNC Electronics out.
Hold on.